Guru. In this video, we are going to learn about the ideal yarn counts for a single jersey fabric. Come on buddies, let's start today's class. In a commercial knit fabric industry, the ideal yarn counts which we use in the most of the cases, that the count ranges from 8's count to 60's count. Let's see one by one in detail, and let's start with the finer count. To achieve a 90 GSM single jersey fabric, the ideal yarn count which we use commercially is 60's count, and the suitable gauge which we use to get an ideal single jersey fabric is either 32 gauge or 28 gauge knitting machine. The next GSM range I have considered is 100 GSM. The ideal count which we use commercially is 50's count, and its suitable gauge is either 32 gauge or a 28 gauge knitting machine. The next GSM range I have considered is 110 to 125 GSM. The suitable or ideal yarn count to achieve the GSM of 110 to 125 GSM is 40's count, and the gauge, the suitable gauge which we use commercially is 28 gauge. The next GSM range I have considered is 130 GSM, and the suitable yarn count which we use to get a 130 GSM fabric is 36's count, and its suitable gauge to knit to achieve a 130 GSM fabric using a 36's count is 28 gauge. The next GSM range I have considered is 135 to 145 GSM. The suitable yarn count to achieve this 135 to 145 GSM is 34's count, and the suitable gauge which is available with two options, either we can use 28 gauge or a 24 gauge knitting machine. The next GSM range I have considered is 150. The suitable yarn count or ideal yarn count to achieve a 150 GSM single jersey fabric is 32's count. The gauge, just like 34's count, even for 32's count we have two options of gauges, whether we can use either 28 gauge or a 24 gauge knitting machine. The next GSM range I have considered is 160 GSM. The ideal yarn count which we use commercially is 30's count, and just like 34's and 32's, even for 30's count we have two options, that is either we can use 28 gauge knitting machine or a 24 gauge. The same 160 GSM can be achieved by using another one more count option, that is 2 bar 60's. 2 bar 60's means either 60's 2-ply parallel or a twisted yarn can be used, and the suitable gauge which we use commercially is either 28 or a 24 gauge knitting machine. The next GSM range I have considered is 170 GSM. The suitable yarn count to achieve this 170 GSM is 28's count, and the suitable gauge which we use commercially is 24 gauge. The next GSM range I have considered is 175 GSM, and its suitable or ideal yarn count to achieve a 175 GSM in a single jersey fabric is 26's count, and its suitable gauge which we use commercially is 24 gauge. The next GSM range I have considered is 180 to 190 GSM. The suitable yarn count or ideal yarn count to achieve a 180 to 190 GSM is either 24's count, just like 160 GSM. Even this 180 to 190 GSM can be achieved with one more count option, that is 2 bar 50's, whether it is a twisted yarn or a parallel feed, no matters. And the ideal yarn count, ideal gauge which we use commercially is 24 gauge. The next GSM range I have considered is 200 to 210 GSM. The ideal yarn count which we use commercially is 20's count, and just like 160 GSM and 180 to 190 GSM, even here we have a one more count option, that is 2 bar 40's, whether it may be a parallel feed or a twisted yarn. The suitable gauge which we use in general is either 24 gauge or a 20 gauge knitting machine. The next GSM range I have considered here is 220 to 230 GSM. The ideal yarn count in general we use 18's count, and the suitable gauge is 20 gauge. The next GSM range I have considered 240 to 250 GSM. The ideal yarn count which we use is either 16 counts or 32 ply parallel or a twisted yarn. Either twisted or parallel yarn can be used to achieve a 240 to 250 GSM single jersey fabric. The suitable gauge is 20 gauge. The next GSM range I have considered 260 GSM. The ideal yarn count to achieve a 260 GSM single jersey fabric is 14 count, and it can be knitted using either 16 gauge or a 20 gauge. But commercial availability of a 16 gauge knitting machine is very less, so the best suited gauge to knit a 260 GSM using 14 count is 12 gauge. The next GSM range I have considered 280 GSM. The ideal yarn counts, even here we have two options. Either we can use 12 single yarn or 24, either it may be a 2 ply or a twisted yarn. The ideal gauge is 12 gauge. The next GSM range I have considered 290 to 310 GSM. Just like 280 GSM, even here we have two options. We can use either 10 count single yarn to achieve a 290 to 310 GSM. Another one more option is 20 2 ply parallel or a twisted yarn. The ideal gauge which we use commercially is 12 gauge. The last and the final, the GSM single jersey I have considered is 320 GSM. The ideal yarn count is 8 count single yarn or a 2 or 16s, whether it may be a twisted yarn or a parallel yarn. Any of the options can be used to achieve a 320 GSM single jersey fabric. The ideal gauge which we use commercially is 12 gauge. I hope I have covered the maximum options of single jersey, that ranges from 90 GSM to 320 GSM. The yarn count, GSM and gauge which I have advised in this complete video, that is based on the machine wash, tumble dry, wash care instruction. I hope this video is very useful and informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye from your Money Text Guru. Bye bye.